Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for a project management training provider business. If you are a project management training provider, then manually sharing training modules and enrolling students can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for project management training provider business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general hi. And our chatbot responds with welcome to PM Certified Training, your go-to place for project management courses. Choose what you need, and it has provided us 3 options. I am going to select the first one that says training modules. And it has provided us top programs, PMP Certification Bootcamp, Agile and Scrum Fundamentals, Microsoft Project for Beginners. Next, I'm going to click on FAQs, and our chatbot responds us with, here are quick answers. Our class is offline, yes, fully online and live. Do you give certificates? Yes, on course completion. Can I pay in parts? Yes, EMI available. Need further help? Contact us on this given number. Lastly, I'm going to click on enroll. Enroll in a course, please reply with full name. So here I'm going to send a dummy response as demo user. Next, it is asking for course name. So I'm going to respond with Microsoft Project for Beginners. And it responds us with, we have received your details as demo user and Microsoft Project for Beginners. We will confirm your spot shortly. And this is how we have created a WhatsApp chatbot for project management training provider. We have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create this, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach Chatflow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Project Management Training Provider Business. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a specific pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this, here I've added this message which will look like this to the user, and here I've added these little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options such as this: training modules, FAQs, and enroll. So let's begin with curating our response for all of these quick reply options. First, let's start with training modules. And for this, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the training modules. Like this, our message will appear like this to the user. Next up, we have FAQs. So here I'm going to access the text button again. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. And lastly, here we have answered all the frequently FAQs, and here we have also provided us number if they need further support. And lastly, we have to enroll, and for this we have to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I'm asking for full name. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select text, and here you can provide as many number of attempts as you want, and here I'm going to leave the validation message empty. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and then I'm going to curate another question box. Here I'm going to ask for the preferred course, like this. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any, then I'm going to link it to the question box. Lastly, I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add this message. It will look like this to the user. Here I've said $name and $add because they were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details sent by the user. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for project management training provider business. And if you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow has been updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.